Everyone, and welcome to the online class of Python. So today in the revision tour of Python, I'll discuss about the nesting of the dictionaries. There is a question which I'm going to solve here, with which you will be able to understand that how the dictionary values can be nested along with the keys. Now the question is, suppose a dictionary that contains the details of the two workers where their names are taken as a keys and the values and the other details are represented in the form of the values, for example their age and salary. Now we will be taking a dictionary which will store the details of two workers, wherein the key will be represented as the name of the worker, the values will be represented as the different details of those workers. I'll be using two values related to the one key. So let us define the dictionary first of all. So I'm taking the name of the dictionary as employees, and I'm going to start the curly braces. As we know that the dictionary is enclosed within the curly braces, I'm going to define the name of the employee as John. So I have used here the key as a John. Now this key is having two values of John, so I will be nesting the values now. So the values can be nested again in the curly braces. I am writing here age of the John is suppose 25, and then I am writing another value which is the salary of John, that is 15,000. Alright, so this is written. Now I am going to write again the second value. So I will copy this, the second value name I am writing here Dia. So this is my second key. The age I am going to change it so that we can make a difference while writing. So that's it. So I have defined here two dictionaries. So the two keys. So now the curly braces will be closed twice. So this is closed here. This is the value which is nested value of this particular one key, and this is the nested value of the particular second key. Now this is closed. So to read this value and to print it in a particular format, we need to read the dictionary first of all. So for reading the dictionary, I am using a for loop here, and I am using a variable as for key in employees. Employees is the name of the dictionary. Alright, so now the dictionary will be read. Now suppose if I want to print here the name of the employee first of all and then their particular values. So I'll use the print statement here, print name of the employee. So I'm writing here employee as a, you can say I have used the double quote so that it should be printed like this only. Employee will be printed. Now the name of the employee will be taken from the keys. Why? Because I am using a key variable here. As we know that whenever the loop will start, the control will go here. So it will start reading from the dictionary key. So key is being read. So suppose the first key is read, which is John. It can be in any order. Dia can also be read first time. So suppose I am just thinking that John is read first. So for key in employees, then print command, print statement will print the employee as it is, and then I'm using a colon symbol here. Okay, let me write like this, colon symbol here. So there will be employee name. Now the employee name will be taken from the key variable. Alright, so if you want to give any other symbol also, you can enclose that in the double quote, and then I'll use the print statement again to print the nested values of that particular key. So how that nested value will be printed? So the first value is age and then is salary. So let us write age like this first of all. So age is written. Now how the age will be taken? So the key which is read first of all, suppose John is read, so this age is the key here inside the dictionary, and then its value is 25. Second key is again salary, and then it is the value is 15,000. So when John will be read, so its key and value will these keys will give us the value of the age and salary. So we will write here employees, as employees is the name of the dictionary, and then I am going to write here key. And what is the key which is going to give me the value of age? So I'll write here age under the single quote or you can use a double quote as well. So this is going to give me the value of the particular key, right? So suppose for example first time the loop is executed, so here the dictionary will be read. So for example John is read, so for key in employees first time John will be read, so it will print here like employee is 2 and the key will John will be printed, and then this dash will be printed. Then on the next line age will be printed, and then with this dictionary value it will go to the key. So the first key was John, so it will give you the appropriate value for the age. And then similarly I'll write for the salary also here. So I'll write here salary, and here also salary. So that is it, and this is in small, so I have written in small case. So that is it, and now we are going to execute this file. Let us see what the output comes. Is it running according to our requirement or not? Alright, so you can see here when we execute this file, so the control is on the first line wherein a dictionary is created and nested with the nested values of a particular key. Now when the control goes to the first line here, so the first key John is read, so it has printed employee is 2 and then John and then this dash mark. Now on the next line I have printed age, so age is written as it is. Now how this 25 is printed, the key of this employees dictionary, the first key was John, so that's particular age is printed. So when we write age we get the value of it. We have done it earlier as well. So we have got the value of 25. Now again on the next line salary is printed as it is, you can see here, and then for the dictionary employees for the particular key John, that salary value will be printed, so it is printed 15,000. Again the loop will go to read the second key is Dia, so that is printed here, and again the value for the Dia will be printed. Now this is how this particular program executes. I hope you have understood this. If you have any problem you can just text me or you can mail me. Till then, practice these programs of the dictionary chapter and stay happy. Thank you so much.